Hello students, welcome to our Excuse Me Max channel. In this video, we discuss about the difference between the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. The main difference between Indian system and international system is placement of commas. In Indian system, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakh and crores. In Indian system, comma starts with 3 digits from the right side. That is, each number we call it as digits. That is, we place comma 3 numbers from the right side of any large numbers. Here in this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We place the first comma before 7, 8, 9, leaving 3 digits from the right side. Then for every 2 digits, we use comma after 100th place till it ends with 1 or 2 digits. Here in this example, comma comes before 5. That is, we place comma 2 digits from 100th place from the right side. Then again 2 digits before 2 and goes on till it ends with 2 digits, that is 12. So finally read this number as 12 crore 34 lakh 56,789. Next, international system of numeration. In international system, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and then millions. In international system, comma comes after every 3 digits from the right side till it ends with 1 or 2 or 3 digits. That is, for every 3 numbers from the right side, we use comma till it ends with 1 or 2 or 3 numbers. This system is commonly used in Western countries. Here in this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we place the first comma before 7, 8, 9, leaving 3 digits from the right side. Then again leaving 3 digits from the right side, that is from 100th place, we use comma before 4, 5, 6 and goes on till it ends, leaving the last 3 digits 1, 2, 3. So we read these numbers in international system as 123,456,789. To express larger than a million, we use billion. That is, 1 billion is equal to 1000 million. Note the point that while writing the number names, we do not use commas. So, the main difference between these two is placement of commas. Hope you understand, students. If any queries, comment in my comment box. If you like this video, do share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.